Hello again. I bought another air pistol the other day. I think I'll have to admit that I'm becoming a collector. This one's a Slavia ZVP, made in Czechoslovakia. I don't know whether you can see that. I can't see whether that's coming up on the camera or not. Bought it from a car boot sale. Paid rather too much for it, I think. 60 quid I paid for it, but it wouldn't come down anymore. It's one of them things, you either regret paying a bit much for it for a couple of hours, or you regret not buying it at all for the rest of your life. It's just a little break barrel air pistol. It's got a really long front sight because it fires high, apparently. So when you're cocking it, that sticks into your hand, so you have to come forward, which takes away all the mechanical advantage. And then you have to cock it like that. Now there's no anti-bear trap on it either, so you either tuck it in there and load your pellet, or I just hold it like that because I'm not too worried about it. If you pulled the trigger, that would slam shut. Take the tip of your finger or your thumb off. But as I say, the long front sight, back sights, they're right down at the moment, but you can adjust them to come up. And sideways, if you want windage, it's mounted in a keyway. And it's only the springiness of that that keeps it in position. So you have to drift it one way or another. I think that's in the centre again now. As I say, it's only the springiness of that that tilts that key and locks it in place. There's a small grub screw in there. If you take that out, you can unscrew that. I don't know if that's ever going to come out again. It needs a really small screwdriver for that. There's a couple of videos of this already. I was going to add to the knowledge about it by putting it through the chronoscope. See what it's firing at. First one came out bad. Second one took half my chronoscope away. So that's not going to happen. So I can actually see the pellet going, and when I've eventually got it into the pellet trap, this is what they turn out like. They're quite squished, so there's some power to it. I reckon 2 to 3 foot-pounds to do that to a pellet. Of course, one of the videos, the guy shot a water bottle at point blank range and it bounced off. I've been aiming there and I've been hitting up there, look, so that's how high up it is. But I'll try. I've got an old tin of apple ties. It's past its best before date. Actually, it's not. Still going. But I'm not going to drink it. So we'll see what it does. I don't know how far away to fire at it. I've got better expectations than this. Well, I hope you saw that. Blew it open. Another strange thing about this screw here is the pivot or fulcrum for the barrel to bend on. And instead of using like a spring washer or anything, they've actually put some indents in the side of the screw and then put a screw in by the side of it to stop it moving. I've never seen that before. See, that screw there, it's holding, stopping that one moving. Never seen that before. I think these were made from between middle of the 1950s up to 1972. This one's got a serial number that starts with 71. It'd be nice to think that that was 1971, but I don't think it is. It's just a later model. When I bought it, it was quite rusty, but a bit of oily rag has done it well. So, been ages since I shot any chocolate. So I've got a lint bunny. Let's see if we can ring his bell. Actually not holding out much hope. I think the bunny is quite safe. BSA Storm pallets at the moment. I've got some air arms ones there. Well, I hit him. Didn't ring his bell though. Straight into the pallet trap above him. Cardboard box that time. As you can see, the accuracy's not that good. Nah, I think the bunny is safe. I'm just going to pause you. This is what you need for a chocolate bunny. The first shot with the pistol wasn't that far off. This is 4 with a Daisy Red Rider, I believe. That one might be a bit bigger. Anyway, I think it's amazing when you take the silver paper off. The shots will have melted their way through nearly. Can't get my head around that. Anyway, I'm going to do some more shooting and enjoy it. But, Slavia ZVP, made by CZ. She used to make motorbikes as well, I believe. Like the Czechoslvakian version of BSA, maybe. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, leave a comment.